Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is related to the differences between memorandum and articles of association. So, first of all, objectives. Memorandum define the objective of the company, where articles of association stated the rules and regulation for the achievement of objectives. Okay. So, position. Memorandum is a very important document. Hence, articles of association is a subsidiary document. So next one is relationship. Memorandum of association, it define the relationship between company and the outsiders, means to say that the suppliers, the creditors. Okay, so it will tell the relationship between the company and the outsider, whereas articles of association tell the relationship between company members and company. Next one is validity. The activities beyond the power of the memorandum of association are not considered to be performed by the company, even all the members cannot ratify them. Means to say that the preliminary contracts and activities which are beyond the power of the memorandum are cannot be ratified by the members of the company, whereas in articles it is stated that the ratification is possible by its members. Next one is necessary. Its preparation is necessary to get the company registered, whereas articles of association is not necessary to prepare it for public limited company, but it not necessary for the private company. Next one is alteration. It cannot be easily altered. Many matters required approval of the contract. As we studied about the contents of the memorandum, I have told you about the alteration of object clause, situation clause and all that. So there is a special resolution is there, and along with that the central government and registrar's approval is also there. So it's not very easy to get altered, whereas articles of association can be altered by a special resolution because it is related with the indoor management, internal management. Memorandum of association is related to the outdoor management, so it's very difficult to change in the memorandum, and it is possible in the articles.